In today's video, I'm going to show you how I upgraded my Technica M20x headphones. So the Technica M20x is a great value in headphones. For $49, you get a great sounding monitor type headphone, but also for $49, you get the basic ear pads. Now they may seem fine for the first hour, but any length of time after that, you actually feel a relief when you take them off your head. They're kind of hard and uncomfortable. Compared with my HyperX Cloud headphones gaming headset, the comfort level was just not there with the Technica M20. So even though I felt like I had a great bang for the buck with the M20X, I was a little disappointed with the feel and the quality, so I went looking to see if there was a solution. I came across ear pad replacements on Amazon, and apparently there's a whole aftermarket that even fit the exact model of these headphones. They fit from M20 all the way up to M50X and then some. So for $16, I picked up a replacement set. They're the gray flannel memory foam. They're way thicker, way softer than what Audio Technicas came with. This totally changed the game of feel and comfort for these headphones, and now they actually feel like a premium headphone that's worth more than $50. It also solved another little issue I was having with the stock ear pads, and it was sound leakage. The stock ear pads really sealed up my ears, and that's probably good for DJs if you want really good sound isolation. But for gaming, podcasting, and doing voiceover for YouTube videos, I was hearing my voice in my headphones a little bit too much, more than my gaming headset phones. That was a little off for me. But the replacement flannel earphones have a little bit more sound leakage, and therefore it just gives me enough feedback in my voice that it doesn't kind of throw me off. They're very easy to put on. As you can see, I just slide the outer sleeve over the grooves. Takes a little finessing, but they just slip right on nice and easy. This is a real good upgrade that I did, because if you spend any good amount of time with headphones on, whether you're at your computer or you're listening to music, comfort is number one. It's up there with sound quality, and with these headphones you got the sound quality, but it just didn't have the comfort from the stock ear pads. So extra $16, you're still getting a great bang for your buck with these headphones, and I think you will not regret upgrading the comfort of your headphones, no matter what brand and no matter what price point. So I'm gonna leave you with that. If you like this video, if you found it helpful, give me a like, give me a subscribe, helps out the channel, and I'll have my Amazon link in the description so that you can see this headphone or shop around for a different style. They got a big range. So thanks for watching, and check out my other videos. See you later.